Pastor John Bosco.
You are welcome.
Pastor. Pastor, sorry. I don't know whether the see way. It's not Star.
Yes, this is Star.
Pastor,
Yes.
you supposed to drink Star.
What do you mean?
You're supposed to drink juice, malt, Fanta, Pepsi. But as a pastor, you're not supposed to take alcohol.
May God forgive you. I say, may God forgive you. Say amen.
Amen, sir.
What do you know? Why should I be taking what do you call it? Why should I be taking where were Montana, juice, Fanta, when Star appeared to the three wise men at the east when Jesus Christ was being born? Where were they? Where were they?
Pastor.
Where were they? Answer me. Don't tell me that.
Pastor.
That is what that is.
Pastor. Pastor.
If the Fanta want me to be taken, I should change their name to Star.